Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to use GIMP and explain some of its basic tools and features. First, open GIMP on your Windows PC. When GIMP opens, you'll see the main workspace. On the left side, you'll find the toolbox, and on the right side, you'll find different panels, including layers. Let's start by opening an image. Click File, then select Open. Now choose an image from your computer and click Open. The image will appear in the main workspace. First, let's look at the Move tool. This tool can be used to move different elements or selections. Next, select the Crop tool. You can use this tool to select the part of the image you want to keep and remove unwanted areas. Now let's try the Text tool. Click the Text tool, then click on the image and type your text. You can adjust the text using the available options. Another useful tool is the Paintbrush tool. You can use it to draw on the image or make simple edits. Now look at the Layers panel on the right side. Layers allow you to work with different elements separately. You can create a new layer by clicking the New Layer button. You can also hide, show, or delete layers when needed. If you make a mistake, don't worry. Click Edit, then choose Undo to go back to the previous step. When you finish editing, you can save your project. Click File, then select Save As and choose where you want to save the project. If you want to save the finished image as a PNG or JPEG, click File, then choose Export As and select your preferred format. So these are some basic GIMP features you can use for image editing, including opening images, cropping, adding text, drawing, working with layers, and saving or exporting your work. And that's how you can get started with GIMP on Windows in 2026. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more helpful tutorials.